Hello everyone and welcome to a new YouTube video. I know that some of you might be asking why I haven't created content. So it has been some kind of issues, if we can say like that, some mental issues maybe. And yeah, that's why I haven't been um, producing content to the YouTube lately. But I saw some comments on some later comments in some of my videos, and it broke my heart because there were some people that was kind of enjoying my tutorials, if I can say that these are tutorials. So yeah, I decided to grow as a man, not grow as a man, but to do something about it and do some content, some more content. Um, I don't know if I'm gonna do produce content every single week, every single month. It will also depend on my availability. But yeah, we have a new video coming out, and the video that I want to the tutorial that I want to give to give to you today, as you could see in the title, it's the period is not the end. What does that mean? So a lot of people that use ViMs doesn't know how the period key is so powerful and so important. Let's read the documentation. So the documentation stands as single repeat. Repeat last change with count, replace it with count. Also repeat a young comment when the I flag is included in CP options. Does not repeat the command line command. Single chances can be repeated with the dot command. So this is beautiful. Okay, we read the combination, the documentation. Okay, but what does that mean? Okay, so I have a GS file. This is just a folder that I create. If you want, you can create a file .gs. Doesn't matter to follow along. And I'm gonna introduce, for example, my variable is equal to something. Why not? And then I'm gonna put second variable is equal to second thing. And the third variable is equal to third thing. Okay, cool. So one thing that really annoys me when I'm doing JavaScript code is the semicolon. So every time I do, even though it's not mandatory, every time I do code, I need to add the semicolon. I get used to it. I code in C, in Pascal. Every one of them has semicolons, so I'm really used to it. It's something that if I don't have it in my code, it's like something is missing. But let's go back. And to go back, I'm using the U key. U key stands for Yundu, so I'm gonna put it in here, stands for undo. And it just allows you to go back in what you made. And if you actually have a undo dir, which I also have, which I can show you later on in some other video if you want, you can actually save, close this file, and then come back, and all of your undo history will be there, and you can go undo in past changes that you made. But going back to our example, I'm gonna leave this comment for you if you want to use it later. Coming back to the example, we have these three things. So now we have to do three different things. We could do like dollar sign, then we could do a, and then we could put semicolon, or we have a better way. So Vim has been working on in year after year on how to improve our writing speed or and all of that stuff. So one of the things that Bram wanted to introduce was not repeating too much keystrokes. And what does that mean? So for this example, I will do dollar sign, hey, and then I'll put the semicolon, as I made in the first example. this is a combination of three keys. What if we could do it in two keys? So if I delete this, and if I have a keystroke, a combination of keystroke that Bram made it to do exactly that. And the combination code is that instead of doing A to go to insert mode after where the cursor is, we could do capital A and we go straight to the end of the line, and then we could put the comma in there, the semicolon, and then we press escape, and that's it. It's done. Now pay attention to what I will do. So I press the two keys, right? So I go like to whatever I want. To whatever I want, I go like, for example, to this T, for example. And I'm gonna do some magic thing. Done. The semicolon is there. And I just only press one command. And which command is that? Is the dot command. And what does the command does? The command particularly repeats the last sequence that you made. And what does that mean? As you could saw, I was moving. I can do it again. I'm moving. I'm moving with a lot of keys, and then I press dot. So movement keys is not considered for the period command as a repetitive thing that the period should be concerned, it should be copied. No, it just repeats comments. And for example, imagine that you do something like this. So this is my life. Okay, it has, let me do it again. This is my life. Okay, so we have all of these. Okay, we made some keystrokes. What do you think that will happen if I press the period? Do you think that will copy the he, which is the last one that we made? Let's see. Let's go to this line and let's press period. Okay, boom. Why is that? Why did it copy all of the sentence inside of the string? This is because if you go to insert mode, everything that you insert in the insert mode, the period command will capture it and will be as a single sentence, as a single change that you made. So everything, no matter what, I can put this, I can put new lines, I can put this, I can put new lines, that's it. And then I'm going and press dot and it will copy everything. Everything is just copy. Doesn't matter if it says space, break changes, whatever. Doesn't matter, it will copy everything. Why do I said in the beginning that period is not the end, and period it might be the most powerful feature that Vim has? Because of this, you don't need to repeat yourself. You have a powerful tool which in combination, of course, there are some things that we have some other powerful tools. Like for example, if I want to search and replace, I have a functionality for that. But these simple things of adding, for example, semicolon, of adding a new space, so on and so forth, it's where period key will shine and bright, because you saw it was so easy to have all of the semicolons that was missing. Really easy. So yeah, this is what I have for you today. Hope you like it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this lesson today. If you have any doubt, just let me know. I will be more than happy to provide you the support that you need in this lesson. I think that it's like straightforward. It has some complex scenarios. I'm reading a new book, which they have the dot formula, which stands for one repetition. How is that? One key, one repetition. I think that the sentence, which is you try to do everything in one stroke, and then you repeat with one key. That's it. And yeah, if you would like to know more about this lesson or some other lessons, just let me know. I will provide the help that you need. And yeah, I'll try to be as more active as I can. I don't promise nothing, but it broke my heart, the comments that I saw. It was really great. Thank you very much to all of the persons that reached me with some kind comments and all of that stuff in my videos. It was really painful to see that I was not providing any more content when I had so great people um, thanking me for my content and all of that stuff. So I just only want to thank you, and I see you in the next lesson.